Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, Sean's Specialties. So today we are making chocolate meatballs. And when you think of dessert, this is what you're going to go get. These are chocolate meatballs. And it's 3 easy ingredients, and this is so easy and quick. And it may get a little messy, but in the end, you're gonna have a great dessert or snack. And yeah, let's get right into it. So the 3 ingredients are some chocolate wafer cookies. You need to get 36 and crush them up. They look like this. Then you need 8 ounces of cream cheese, organic cream cheese. Then you get some Lily's chocolate baking chips and you melt them and they look like this. And yeah, so first you take the chocolate wafer cookies and you crush them up, you put it in the bowl. Then you take your cream cheese and you scoop them in, and you scoop it in. And then there we go. Put this over to the side. And now you get your spoon and you just mix it. And so you want to have it as though it kind of looks like a light gray, and it looks really good. And once this is all mixed, oops, a little spill. And you want all the cream cheese to be mixed in with the chocolate wafer cookies. And yeah. And almost done. We just gotta get all those chocolate wafer cookies mixed in. And there we go. Now we take it with your hand, you scoop it, and you make a little ball. And as I said, it can get a little messy. And you do it into bite-sized pieces, a little more maybe, like this big. And I like to put one on there without the chocolate, and then I go take a little away, make it into a ball, and then you dip it into the chocolate and you coat it, and then put it in there, and then you go over to your sink because it gets really, really messy, and you wash it off. And then so much chocolate. And this tastes so good. It's gonna be your go-to dessert. And then you put it into the freezer for 30 minutes until the chocolate hardens. And then we put it in there. And I already have some that came out. And they look so great. I'm putting one on my plate. And you always have to get your organic milk, Apple Valley Creamery milk. It's the best. And then this is what they look like, the finished product. And now I'm going to try it. Oh. Now, whenever I think of dessert, I think of these. This is what I'm going to grab. Even if it's messy, what it turns out to be is really great. And you always have to have some milk. And remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more of my videos, and comment down below how yours turned out. And see you next time, guys. Bye.